form of sextant? Answer fourth, second, third, first. Number 190. In the daily pages of the almanac, the unshaded circle in the lower right-hand corner of the almanac means. Answer full moon. Number 191. One of the two stars in the Ursa Minor pointing to Polaris is. Answer caution. Number 192. Astronomical refraction causes a celestial body to appear. Answer higher than its actual position. Number 193. At evening stars, the last stars that should be observed are those with an azimuth in what quadrant? Answer western. Number 194. In which voyage, between 2 points, is the rhumb line distance not approximately the same as the Great Circle distance? Answer: the 2 points are in high latitudes in the same hemisphere. Number 195. What is a position obtained by applying estimated current and wind to your vessel's course and speed? Answer: estimated position. Number 196. Where can the data relating to the direction and velocity of rotary tidal currents be found? Answer: tidal current tables. Number 197. What is a phenomenon in which the axis of an object wobbles when torque is applied? Answer: torque-induced precession. Number 198. When you are steering on a pair of range lights and find the upper light is above the lower light, you should. Answer: continue on the present course. Number 199. A single line of position combined with a dead reckoning position results in A or N. Answer: estimated position. Number 200. When using a buoy as aid to navigation, which of the following should be considered? Answer: the buoy should be considered to always be in the charted location. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the notification bell, for you will be updated for our next upcoming video.